Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Philips Bagless Vacuum 1000 series with 800 watts motor, power cyclone 3 system, bagless design, multi-purpose floor nozzle and 3-stage filtration system. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. And here it is, the vacuum. The box included we have the manual, 2-in-1 Gravis nozzle for tight areas and soft areas like your furniture, you can clean your keyboard and more. 2-in-1. You can install that at the telescopic tube or here at the bend assay. Airflow regulator at the front, I like that. Thick plastic, very durable. And you can install at the front the telescopic tube. Adjust the telescopic tube in the length you want, what is more suitable for you. Nice. And at the front you can connect the multi-purpose nozzle. So easy. Spiral hose, very flexible and thick, good materials, I like that. The floor nozzle at the front, it has 2 small wheels, soft pads, 2 large wheels. It can rotate 360 degrees. Press this switch and reveal the soft brass. So easy. Plastic. All the unit is plastic. Now let's move on at the main unit, the vacuum. We have the handle. Compact design for easy storage. It can stay just like that. Very easy. We have one small 360 degrees wheel. Another 2 wheels here, large wheels. Nice, I like it. Transparent container, dust capacity 1.3 liters. On-off switch. The cable with a 6-meter length. Very convenient. Together with the nozzle and the telescopic tube, you have 8.5 meters action radius. And with this button, nice. At the back we have the HEPA filter. Remove the cover and you can pull to remove the filter. After a long time of use, replace it with a new. And install again the cover. With one button, remove the filter and replace it. Here you can storage the nozzle together with the telescopic tube and the spiral hose. The connection for the telescopic tube. There is to connect, plug in, press these two buttons and remove. And at the front, to remove and clean the container, press this button here, remove, there's the container, transparent, pull, open, remove the filter. Inside we have the foam filter, black, and another filter here. Silicone rubber around, pull to remove this orange. Okay, there it is. You can remove that, rotate, remove and that, the Cyclone 3, clean it under the water, no worries, and then it is very easy to install and it locks. Silicone rubber around is black, sealing very well all the dust inside the container. And if you want, you can remove and that from the container and clean it. Alignment here, perfect, and then install this filter, press, rotate, and it locks. Silicone rubber in here. That was all, so easy to clean your vacuum. Now let's plug it in and test the suction power. Only one speed. And that is the maximum, but very fast. I like it, good suction power. With its impressive suction power and efficient design, the 1000 series handles dirt and dust with ease on various surfaces. Its compact size means it's super easy to maneuver around furniture and store away, even in small living spaces. The bagless design is a true game changer. No more buying expensive replacement bags, just a quick click, empty, and you are ready to go again. This not only saves you money but also ensures consistent, strong performance every time. Whether you are tackling everyday messes, pet hair, or just keeping your floors sparkling clean, the Philips 1000 series delivers reliable results. It's an ideal choice for apartments, smaller homes, or as a convenient secondary vacuum. So, if you are in the market for an efficient, easy to use and budget-friendly bagless vacuum that doesn't compromise on suction, the Philips bagless vacuum is definitely one to consider. It simplifies cleaning, giving you more time for what truly matters. And that brings us to the end of our in-depth look at the Philips Bagless Vacuum Cleaner 1000 series. As you've been seeing throughout this video, this is a fantastic little powerhouse designed to make your daily cleaning routine effortless. If this video helped you understand the Philips Bagless vacuum cleaner better, please give us a big thumbs up, it really supports our channel. And for more honest reviews of home appliances, tech and practical solutions, make sure you are subscribed and have hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks so much for watching everyone, we are always here to help you make informed decisions for your home. Until next time, keep your spaces spotless and we'll see you in the next video.